Wyze Bulb Cam Buyer's Guide. Everything you need to know before you buy. The Wyze Bulb Cam combines smart lighting with high-quality surveillance in a single, affordable, easy-to-install device. It's designed to monitor outdoor areas like decks, garages, and pools without cords or battery hassles. This guide explores features, pricing, setup, integrations, and its unique benefits. The Wyze Bulb Cam is a motion-activated smart light and 2K HD security camera rolled into a single device that fits into any standard light socket. That means you can protect hard-to-reach outdoor areas without installing new wiring or worrying about charging a battery. The Wyze Bulb Cam offers a compelling solution for homeowners seeking all-in-one outdoor protection and automation. Two-way audio and local micro-SD recording, up to 256 gigabytes, offer communication and storage options without cloud fees. Easy to install, it integrates with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT, and Wyze Rules, enhancing smart home compatibility. Wyze Bulb Cam costs $49.98, accessory bulbs $16.98 each. Cam Unlimited Pro $19.99 per month, or $199.99 per year. Pros include easy installation, 2K video, night vision, integrated smart light, no cords, two-way audio, AI alerts, and affordability. Cons are manual pan tilt, subscription for AI, no micro SD card included, and socket installation requirement.
Go to GearBrain for more information.